Babzung sawubona ngicela ukubuza iposition ye daily candlestick noma ye signal candlestick or ye previous day candlestick ibalulekile yini ukuthi ingangisiza ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi for the day ngingathatha ama trade athi buy noma athi sell na. Yeah, it's very important. Ngasho ngithi kubalekile ukwazi iposition ye signal candlestick yakho noma ye previous day candlestick yakho ukuthi balekile uma ngabe uyibheka ngokwe trend ye daily time frame. Uzobona mase uya ku 4 hours kuba lula ukubona ukuthi imakethe iyenzani. Yabo? So ngizokuzama nje ukukubonisa roughly between i-daily ne-4 hours ukuthi i-position ingakusiza kanjani. But before ngenza that khumbula le video ayihloselwe ukukunikeza ama-advice noma izeluleko zokutshala izimali emakethe, kunalokho ihloselwe ukukunikeza ulwazi njoba unesifiso sokuthi uzihlomise ngolwazi wena lwaka forex yabo. So ngesilungu bathi it is not meant to give you financial advice, however it is meant for educational purposes only. So asiqale ke siphendule lo mbuzo wena njengoba ufisa ukuthola impendulo. Alright, so i-trend yethu ithini? I-trend yethu simple la ku daily time frame siyayibheka ngoba sifuna ukuthola ini i-position. Sifuna ukuthola i-position. So i-trend yami ihamba kanje. Why ngihambisa kanje? Angithi this is my break of structure yabo. So there my structure was broken. Because imakethe beyilibeli ihamba iyaphezulu, so sa break le structure and then says le high le yone responsible for this break of structure, and since then we've been going. All right, so ungabona la ukuthi sinani here we've got what our supply zone right here. Yabona ukuthi sekubalula kanjani siba ne supply zone yethu la, and then mawungabheka lana futhi sinale buy zone yethu le ela, and then if I'm dragging it noma mangidonsa uyabona sesingene kuphi, singena ku fair value gap la, sine fair value gap, masingena la sine sell zone, masiza la futhi sinani sine sell zone. So siyabona yini ukuthi position yakhe kuphi, nali previous day candlestick yakho yabona nansi. Kanti if be trader yesterday ubuzobona ukuthi nayi previous day candlestick yami. If ubu trader ngaleli alanga leliya la nge22 ubuzobona ukuthi oh lo hanging man uvele kuphi, uvele la kulento le bathini le uvele la, omunye uzothi hanging man, omunye uzothi spinning top, kuzoya ngawe ukuthi uyibheka kanjani, but ibonakala ngathi iyi spinning top because umsila wayo awukho mude kangako compared to ibody yabo lonto leyo. And then bese mawubheka la it's a mother bar yabo, it's a mother bar. So this one and this one, it's an indecision candlestick. Remember singena in a critical zone, and masingena singena nge indecision. Should market be consolidate yayibona lonto leyo, and then after that market melted down ngala makhandlela i2 are bearish yayibona lonto leyo. And mawubheka ukuthi njengoba imelter ikuphi, imelter iza la kulo WS imthole la ngithi yabo, and uyabona la ukuthi sine buy zone la nala ubonile momentum ayifika la kule buy zone, momentum grew ngempela, so kusho ikhona interest nyana ekhona la in this zone yabo. So but ke ukuthola iposition kubaleke kakhulu. So uma usuyiyela ku 4 hours seku easy ethi ngize la ngithi yabona la ngikuphi, nala ngine buy zone la yokuqala la. So mangiza ngiletha la uzobona ukuthi lana sibe ne break sase siya reclaim. In fact azange sibe ne break ngoba le khandlela leli la extender ilow le la, angithi yabona besine low la, so le khandlela leli la extender ilow yeza la ngalesikhathi li sweeper the liquidity here, la extender ilow yeza la. So this was not a break because alizange li break below this low, angithi yabo. So now sase siyajika ke siya phezulu, angithi yabona lonto leyo. So yini ko siyoyibheka ke ku 4 hours, ngithe mina kuwena ku 4 hours hamba nakhona uyobheka ini i-trend ya ku 4 hours yabo, ukuze uzokwazi ukuyi-aligna, usuyi-aligna nani ne-trend ya ku daily time frame. So now when you look at this, you can see 4 hours yami ukuthi here ngine consolidation noma ngine supply zone here. Yabo, here there's a supply zone, and then ngine low yami here. Yabo, and then la ngine supply. See the price went up, came down, went up again, came down. Yabona lonto le. So la on the previous low yakwazi ukuthi yenze njani ikhuphuke futhi isinikeze ini lama buys, angithi yabo, isinikeze lama buys. So now when you look at this, you see ukuthi okay, imarket yami kahle kahle ibreake le structure lesi yabo. First structure was broken, momentum yashintsha yaphezulu, angithi yabona lonto le. No, sorry, we first broken here, this consolidation here yabo, we broke it, sakhuphuka sashintsha ini momentum, seza kule high le. Masifika kule high le sayibreaker, angithi yabo. So now sesibreakile le high, size kuphi manje? Size la yabo, size la kule high yethu le yabo, and then sakhuphuka lana safike nje saconsolidate la yabo. But okuyona high responsible for this break of structure yabo, this break of structure here yabo, it's this one. So sakhuphuka seza kuyo, indeed safika nakhona saconsolidate yabo, safika nakhona saconsolidate. So into ebiyenzeka lana besilibele senzani, breaking these highs. So size la seza sa breaker, and then we came all the way up here, and then we came down. We didn't break this high yabo, and then we came down, and then safika sa breaker le, angithi yabo, and then we came down, and then sazo breaker le, angithi yabo lonto le. All right, so in this case that means into enginayo lana yini, nginale zone yami lena yabona la, nale zone yami le ezoba strong ngoba this zone yami irresponsible for this break yabo, and then nale zone yami lena izoba strong ngoba this zone yami irresponsible for ini, this break, this one broken, this one. So guys, uma imarket ke seyingene la inside the zone here ngokwe 4 hours, then isobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. But remember, the biggest zone iyiphi, ile ye daily time frame. So ngokuthi besiphakathi kwezone yaku daily time frame here, angithi lana sinani besinale le zone lela, wayihamba kancane namakhandlela lami. Yeah, yabona la sinale double bottom lebe ila, nazi yazakhuphuka, fair value gap, supply zone, sell zone, and then sithema sifika ke sabona ukuthi oh imarket yenzani, imarket ya creator ini i-sell zone here. Imarket has created a sell zone le ngengaki, nge-22 yabo, and then yabuya ya retesta i-supply le la ku 4 hours, then imarket yazehlela nje kamnandi yazishonela phansi. So it was going to be easy to catch this downward move if wena bewuaware ngeposition yani ye daily time frame noma ye signal candlestick yakho yaku daily time frame. So lana bekumnandi kwi daily time frame ngoba i signal candlestick yakho bekuyiphi. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ephi signal candlestick ile evale below a moving average. That was our signal candlestick ebisitshela ukuthi market izokwenza njani, izoqhubeka ize phansi. But inside this box, in our 4 hours, we got something very interesting. Sivale below ekhandlela eli green lokugcina noma sa creator in i-sell zone, sasishiya ne-supply ngaphezulu, and then imarket ya melted down yashona phansi. And then uyazi ukuthi uma sithola ama-confirmation amanjalo ke, it's either sizoscalpa noma siya ku-entry time frame yethu. So wena ke uyawazi ama-time frame ngoba usubuya khona eklasini. But can you see ukuthi kube lula kanjani ukubona i-position ngokuthi si-aware of the trend ye daily time frame? Mina mangithi thatha ikhandlela la previous day, thatha i-signal candlestick, angisho ukuthi unga-understandi i-trend yaku daily time frame. But just so you can have a focused and a structured way so analyzer, that is why ngithi kuwena awufocus ku daily noma ku previous day candlestick yakho noma ku signal candlestick yakho, but ukuba aware of a condition ye daily time frame and what is ukuthi nokuthi yenzani, it's a big advantage. It's a big advantage because izinto usheshe uzibone. Angithi yabo, khumbula ukuthi mina ngitheni, ngithe kuwena mina below lapha ku 4 hours, lapha ku 4 hours ngitheni kuwena, ngengathi mina below i sell zone senzani, we sell, above i buy zone senzani, we buy. Angithi yabona lento leyo. So but you don't just go in, you wait for confirmation, right? Uzoyibona yaphi confirmation yakho? Obviously khona inside these boxes, inside these boxes. And your entry time frame kumele ikunikeze extra confirmation. Ama confluences nginikezile niyawazi akhona, therefore be wise, sebenzisa all your confluences kube ngazuthi ichoir icula kamnandi izokunikeza inzuzo oyifisa ukuyibona ngokuba yi trader. Ungagcini ngokubona ubukhazikhazi kumanye ama traders, nakuwena kungenzeka, kodwa into ebalekile ulwazi. Take this information, make it yours, build on what I'm giving you, because the foundation is solid. I can bet. I dare you, try this foundation and see for yourself. Ngizozwa ngawe sewubuya uzothi babzungu danko, noma ungakhomenta khona la kule video usho ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngeinformation oyitholile. Ungabi stingy ngecomment, ngiyakucela. Keep okusenhlizweni. If I'm wrong, tell me, let me go back and fix my mistakes. If I'm right, also tell me so that I can do more videos, because ngazi ukuthi niyawa appreciate. Danko.